Okay? I said earlier that I thought this little kid was kind of thinking about something with his finger on his mouth. It looks like he might be thinking about maybe what he's going to get for Christmas. So if you want us to be able to tell what he's thinking about, or you want to be able to show what this little kid's thinking, you can insert what's called a text bubble. So we click on this text tab up top. Pick one of these English options, because those are the options that you'll want to click, and those are the options that will allow you to type in English. There are other options to click, or you can use foreign text and graffiti and other text effects. But for now, we're just going to use one of these English options. I'll pick the first one. I'll pick it. Now you've picked it, you've got all these options for how you want your text bubble to look. I'm going to choose the second one. When you do your own comic strip, you can pick any one you want. It's up to you. You can be creative. I click on it, hold down the mouse button, and drag it in. Now, right now it looks like the Christmas tree is talking, so we're going to need to drag this over to where it looks like he's thinking it instead of the Christmas tree. Okay? Now it looks like he's thinking, so now we can type what we want him to think. So I'm going to type, I wonder what Santa... You may need to drag the bubble so you can see what you're typing. I wonder what Santa will bring me tonight. Okay, we have it entered. And now, the bubble, you can see what this kid is thinking. So that's how you insert a text bubble. Okay, not only can you insert, we've already went over how you can insert backgrounds, characters, props, and text bubbles. But you can also insert images, like actual pictures you've taken or actual pictures you found off the internet, into the comic book scene. So let's go to the second scene. We'll click on it. Go ahead and add a background in. We'll go ahead and use the same background we did a second ago. So click on the Backgrounds tab. Click on Indoors. And click on the Christmas scene. Drag it into the middle one. Okay, let's say we want to insert a picture. So what you're going to need to do is click down here in the bottom right where it says Imagine R. Click on that. It'll give you an option. You can either find an image on the internet or upload from your computer. In this case, I'm going to just upload an image I've already have saved on my computer. I'll click Upload from your computer. I'll find an image. I'm going to go into my pictures. I'm going to find a picture of my daughter. It will load the image. When it's done loading, you can crop using this tool you see right here. You can crop the image. So as soon as it loads, I'll show you how to crop it by dragging these points. Okay. So right now, if I were to crop it the way the image looks right now, I'm just going to crop a piece of my daughter's dress. Now that wouldn't really look too good above the fireplace mantle, so we're going to go ahead and zoom out until we get to where we can get a picture of her face. So the zoom in and out buttons are right here. Zoom in a little bit more. Alright, now click on the picture. You can drag it towards the middle. Okay, now I've got her face where I can crop it. So I'll click these corners and pull them until I've got a picture of my daughter's face highlighted. Okay, I've got it highlighted, and now I can, if I want, I can rotate it, but I don't want it to rotate, so I'm not going to do that. I can flip it. I don't want to flip it, but that's how you do it right there. You can flip it upside down with this button, but I don't want to flip it upside down. I have it the way I want it. So what I'm going to do is click on Save. Click Save, it'll process. It says right here your image has been added to the gallery. So I press close and you'll see my image right here has been added to the gallery. Click on your image and drag it in. Now it's just like a character or a prop. You can enlarge it and shrink it. So I'm going to shrink it down until it looks like it's about the right size for one of these frames above the mantle. And there it is. I've added a picture into my scene. It's pretty neat, huh? That's the basics of using ToonDoo. Your instructions for the assignment will be on your handout, and also I'll give you on-screen instructions in this video using Windows Movie Maker. That's all. Good luck.